Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix personal hotspot grayed out after iOS 26 update. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone and checking for any cellular updates. Go to the General section and tap on About. If a carrier or cellular update is available, it will appear here. Go ahead and install it, as these updates often fix network-related issues like a grayed-out hotspot. The next thing you should try is a force restart. To do this, quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button on the right side of your iPhone. Keep holding it for about 15 to 20 seconds until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the logo, release the button and allow the phone to restart. Then test Face ID again. If Hotspot is still not available, the final fix is to reset your network settings. Open Settings, go to General, scroll down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and then choose Reset All Network Settings. This will restart your iPhone, and once it turns back on, you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and pair your Bluetooth devices again. This reset clears out network bugs caused by the iOS 26 update and often restores the personal hotspot option. And that's it. So that is how you can fix personal hotspot grayed out after iOS 26 update. So that's all for this video. Thanks.